Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos. Okay, this is to show you the ultimate hair test. So we've had family members comb their hair and we've sort of left it on the floor, and so now we'll see how the S9 Roomba just picks this up automatically and cleans this area. So this is just in the bathroom area, and you can see from that video, you know, all the hair there. So if you've got family members either brushing hair, so family members with long hair, or you've got pets, this is an issue that you're probably going to come across. So we've deliberately done this test to see the difference you'll be able to sort of see in the visibility of when it comes to picking up hair and how well the product works. So what we're about to do is do a cleaning run and to just show how it cleans up on hair. So the good thing about the iRobot products is you do the sort of mapping run and then it can go to the various rooms. The other thing you can do is you can just literally pick it up off its base, put it in a room that you want it to clean, and just hit the clean button, and it will just sort of go into rows, as you'll see in a moment. Every time it hits anything, it will sense there's an obstacle there, and then it will build that into its map and then carry on the cleaning process. So I'm literally going to hit the clean button now, and then you can see how this works. So as you can see, that's now done a full run. I'm just going to move this out the way. So that blue light that you actually saw there was to say that it's actually filled up it's filled up the bin, and it's going to go and sort of start emptying that. So it'd be looking for the way out to go back to the base. But if I just show you the carpet now. Okay, so the vacuum's now done the whole vacuum of the bathroom, and it's done a really good job. So it's just picked up nearly all of the hairs that were on the floor, and it just did it all in one go. So, you know, really good clean. We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.